So I'm going to show you how to enable and use speech to text on your MacBook Neo. So this is very simple. Just go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. Under System Settings, you want to scroll on the left hand side until you get to Keyboard. Click on that, and then in the keyboard settings, if you scroll, you will see the Dictation section. So first thing you want to do is enable Dictation, and of course when you enable Dictation, you have to accept that information like your voice input and contact names are sent to Apple. So click on enable to confirm, and that's going to enable dictation. Now you should see a few other things about dictation, which is basically speech to text. Basically your laptop will be turning your speech into text, so you can use it for voice typing. So you have the language, you can change that if you don't want it. You can have the microphone source. I'm going to use my external microphone, but of course you can use the built-in microphone on the MacBook. And then you can choose a shortcut key. Now, currently by default, it's set to the default microphone button, which is the F5 on your MacBook Neo. But of course, if you want to, you can change that to any other button, right? And that's it. So you can also enable or disable automatic punctuation for your speech to text. Now, once you do that, you can close out of there. And now, whenever you're typing anything, maybe it could be a note, it could be something in Google Docs, doesn't really matter what it is. To type, we just open a new document here, and start typing. So I'm gonna press my button. This is what speech to text looks like on your MacBook Neo, so that you can use your MacBook, or rather you can use your voice to type on your Mac.